Hi everyone, you're welcome back. So guys, cook with me. I am going to make stew and white rice today. So guys, if you're ready, come, let's do it. So guys, I started off by blending my tomatoes, onions, pepper, garlic and ginger together.
I knew the moment you left me, I could hear.
So the next thing I did after blending was to pour in my tomato mix into an empty pot because I want to do a one pot stew. After which I have to slice my onions and added my onions into the tomato paste. After which I allowed it to dry for a while. Then the next thing I did was to add my meat and my fish so that it can boil together.
When I'm lonely and your memory never leaves my side, so I'll wait.
So the next thing I did was to go in with my oil. Then guys, by then my tomato was almost dried. Then the next thing I did was to add my tomato paste, then my lasso, because I've been hearing about this lasso. I decided to try it. Then the next thing was my nut cube, my rosemary and my thyme. And guys, I now turned this and then I now have to pour in my stock. And guys, that was just it, and the stew was ready guys.
I'll wait for you.
So when my stew was ready, I have to go in and get my rice ready. I have to take about 2 cups of rice. Then the next thing I did was to wash. After washing, I have to place it on fire so that it can boil. So guys, keep enjoying.
And the cold traps me in my pain, and the quiet of the night still holds me as I hold onto your ghost again, and we smile at the sun in the morning, 'cause I know you made it rise for me. So I'll wait for you forever, 'cause I know that you would wait for me, and I know you're up there waiting on me. So just know I'm down here doing the same. So I'll wait for seasons change, but your memory stays. There's no moving on. You'll always be my love. So I'll wait.
So guys, finally our food is ready and it tastes so yummy delicious guys. So guys, this food is really delicious and I am eating for all of us. Just have that in mind that I'm eating for all of us, and I really appreciate you guys for always supporting me. And guys, cheers to my top fans. Do enjoy the rest of your day and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for always being there for me. I love you all. Have a nice day. Ciao ciao. Mwah.
Wait for